Hey everyone, want to get to your favorite sites faster in Google Chrome? In this video, we'll show you how to add more shortcuts on Chrome so we can browse smarter and access our top 5 sites quickly. The search shortcuts in Chrome are either clickable icons on the new tab page for quick access to favorite websites, or keyword options that help us browse faster. We can create custom website shortcuts through the three-dot menu by selecting More Tools, then create a shortcut. Or we can use shortcuts like Ctrl+Sit to open a new tab, or Ctrl+Sort to reload the page. The purpose of shortcuts on Chrome is to give us quick and easy access to websites, tools, or browser features. Shortcuts save time by letting us open frequently used pages or actions right away. This helps us be more productive and makes browsing easier. Now, let's see how to add and customize shortcuts. First, open your Chrome browser. Once the browser is open, to set up a shortcut, press the plus button for a new tab, or press Ctrl+N. Since we need to turn it on, we press the plus button and the new tab will appear. At the bottom, you'll see the Customize section. This section lets us choose to show shortcuts or not. We can make our shortcuts show the most visited sites, or just the shortcuts we add ourselves. We can choose what works best. Next, add a shortcut by clicking the plus or Add Shortcut button. Enter the website name in the name field and type the website here. When finished, click Done. Another way to add a shortcut is through Settings. Look for the 3 dots in the upper right of the browser. Click there, then go to More Tools and then Customize Chrome. Here, we can edit and customize Chrome as well. Pick this option and it will show up again. If we don't see the Customize option, we can go to Settings again. That's it. We've now added more shortcuts on Google Chrome, making it easier to reach our favorite websites quickly. We can create custom shortcuts and make our browsing experience much more efficient.